Wait a second. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the middle of my video, I would like to say some few words regarding this video. I would like to thank one and all who are present in this video. Recently, I saw this type of video in Facebook. One of my friends just contacted me and just shared up this idea. I would like to thank all my international friends from Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia, Nepal, Kyrgyzstan, Sri Lanka for helping us in making up this video. And partly from this, I would like to thank all my friends from Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and from Himachal Pradesh. Thank you everyone, especially my friends and my brothers and my Harboursians friends and those colleagues for making this video more effective. Thank you.
Thank you everyone and enjoy the video.
I hope everyone would enjoy my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So, okay, let's start.
Hey.